Attract everything and anything you want. Attract more than one desire at a time. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. Your dreams, your goals, through the law of attraction, through the ancient teachings, through modern science, you have the ability to live the life that you desire. I get this question quite often. Robert, can I attract more than one thing at a time? And the question indicates that the person asking it doesn't really fully and completely understand the law of attraction. The law of attraction is not a gimmick. It's not something you do or turn on and off. You are attracting your life, the good, the bad, the beautiful, and the ugly, or whatever order Rachel states it in. You know what I'm talking about. You attract it all, every part of it. So think about your health. You've attracted that. Think about your attitude. You've attracted that. How about the finances and money in your life? You have attracted that. What about your relationships, your love life, your friendships? You have attracted that as well. Everything in your life at some level, usually on an unconscious level, you have attracted. That means that you are always attracting all the time. But more importantly, high flyers, it means that you have the ability to attract whatever you desire from a multitude of directions. You can attract the love you desire, the money you desire. You can attract the health you need. You can attract friendships, opportunities, and you can do it all at the same time. Now, you can break this up any way you'd like to, but I use the 5-pointed star as kind of a signet star for the different areas in my life. So at the top is the spiritual. What am I attracting spiritually into my life on a daily basis? And to me, that is extremely important because it's going to influence and tincture the rest of your life. Over here we have our emotional life. What am I attracting emotionally into my life? And on the other side, we have our intellectual life. What am I learning? What am I filling my brain with that I'm going to be able to use to empower my dreams and my goals? And then, of course, we have down here, we have energy and passion. And over here, we have your body, your health, and your finances. These are the 5 points of your life. And you can attract in all of them at the same time. Now, I'm going to give you a huge secret right now. This is who I am. Say it with me. This is who I am. Write it right down below here. This is who I am. And then start with yourself spiritually. This is who I am. I am a spiritual being having a physical experience. I am connected to source energy all the time. And you can add more affirmations if you'd like. Then go to your emotional part of your life and ask yourself, who am I emotionally? What is it I want to feel? And then start with, this is who I am. And then the affirmation, I am emotionally and deeply connected to my wife and family. Do you see what I'm saying? Then we can go to the energy section. This is who I am. And again, we will go here and simply put an affirmation, an I am affirmation. I am excited and motivated on a daily basis to reach out and help as many people as I possibly can empower their life with the law of attraction. And then, of course, we go to the financial section and our body, the physical section of our life. This is who I am. I am healthy. I am vibrant. I am athletic. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I attract money into my life on a daily basis. Do you see how it works? Now, of course, the last section is the mind knowledge. This is who I am. I am thirsty for knowledge about self-improvement, about personal empowerment, about ancient wisdom and the law of attraction. So I've given you just kind of a rough outline. But if you start with that statement, this is who I am, and then flesh it out from there. I am. And you can do all of your affirmations at one time. It's an incredible secret because, listen, it doesn't make any difference whether you are focusing on manifesting a golf ball or a beach ball or a planet or a solar system. It's all the same to the universe. Did you hear what I said? I got to say this to you. I want to make sure you understand it. It is no more difficult for the universe to create a planet or a sun or a star than it is for the universe to help you have an incredible marriage or relationship. It is no more difficult for the universe to create a solar system or a mountain or an ocean than it is to help you achieve your goals financially. It's easy. That's why people oftentimes will say, well, Robert, are you just saying that it's easy? Are you just saying that? And the answer is, no, I'm not. It is easy to manifest what you desire when you have the power of the universe working with you. So using this formula, this is who I am, and then stating who you are will put you in alignment with the infinite field of potential, and you will begin attracting faster than you've ever attracted in your life. Not just in your financial life, not just in your love life. I mean, it's great. You have a great love life, but you're dead broke. Doesn't work, right? You have a lot of money coming in, but nobody to share it with. Doesn't work, does it? Okay? You have all kinds of money. You have a great relationship, but your health is falling apart. Doesn't work, does it? You see what I'm saying? It's essential. It's essential that you manifest in all 5 areas at one time. And it's easy. You can do it. The universe can do it. Just do it. Say, this is who I am. Oh, you're going to have a great 2019 and beyond. By the way, I want to invite just a handful, just a few people who are looking for an incredible money-making business opportunity. By the way, I warn you in advance, if you're going to work with me to make a pile of money, you have to be able to make decisions quickly and move with speed. So send me an email. I want to talk to you about just an incredible opportunity for you to make money, more money than you've ever made in 2019. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.